In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Wrike dashboard link. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your dashboard. Open up Wrike and head to your workspace. Now, over on the left-hand navigation menu, you'll see the option for dashboards. Click on that and make sure you're on the specific dashboard you want to share. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the right dashboard, it's time to open the sharing options. Look at the top header area of your dashboard and you should see a button that says Share. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up the sharing panel and you will be able to see all the options available for sharing your dashboard. Now the exciting part. You need to configure the permissions. In the sharing panel, you will notice some highlighted options that allow you to manage who can access your dashboard. You may want to share it with specific teams or individual users, and you can easily adjust their permission levels. For instance, if you've got stakeholders who simply need visibility into the dashboard without modifying anything, you can set their access to View Only. This way, they can see what's important without the risk of changing anything inadvertently. After you've set those permissions, it's time to finalize your settings. Just continue through the prompts in the sharing panel to confirm your permission configurations. You'll want to make sure everything is just how you need it before you proceed. When you're ready, click on Continue to confirm these settings. Now comes the final step, which is copying and sharing the link. In the same sharing panel, you'll find the direct link to your dashboard highlighted for you. Simply click on that link to copy it to your clipboard. Once you've copied the link, go over to your preferred communication tool, whether that's email, chat, or even a project management tool like Slack. Just paste the link in your message, and voila, you've successfully shared your Wrike dashboard. And that's it. You're all set. Now, anyone who has access to that link and the permissions you've granted will be able to view your dashboard. Sharing insights and collaborating has never been easier. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy collaborating!